Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing materials and the first actionable folds so the butterflies will actually flutter. Use 120-160 GSM paper because it balances stiffness and flexibility. Thinner paper won't hold a wing shape. Cut 6-8 wing templates, then score each at the center to create a hinge. This is where movement begins. Once done, trim a 1-2 cm body strip and pre-bend wings along the printed fold lines so later assembly is fast and precise. This setup, now you assemble wings and shape them to generate lift. Glue wing pairs to the body with a slight offset of 1-2 mm so air can pass between layers and create flutter. Press briefly, then let set. Once bonded, insert a 0, 2 0, 5 mm wire loop at the body center to act as a pivot or mounting point. This lets wings oscillate. Make a gentle camber by curling each wing into a 1-3 mm arch. This curvature produces a pressure differential and more reliable fluttering. Finish by mounting and balancing for smooth fluttering. Hang the butterfly from the wire loop and give it a gentle push. Observe swing, pitch, and stroke amplitude. If it noses down, trim tail or add a 0, 1 0. 5G micro weight to the rear. If it stalls, shift weight slightly forward. Once balanced, make small hinge adjustments, reduce glue or add a speck of lubricant at the fold if movement is sticky. If wings flap asymmetrically, rebalance or swap matched pairs until symmetric.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.